The Justice Department taking on Ticketmaster.
They filed an antitrust lawsuit against their parent company, Live Nation, accusing them of running an illegal monopoly over live events in America.
All right, Fox 5's Chris Welch joins us now with a closer look at what's in the suit and how likely it will hold up in court. Chris.
Yeah, Steve and Natasha, experts I spoke with today say the chances are decent that the DOJ could find success here. Now, the other kind of remarkable thing about this lawsuit is not only is the DOJ involved, but 30 attorneys general from both red and blue states also signed on to this. That's a sign there is pretty clear bipartisan support for something to change at Live Nation.
It is time to break up Live Nation Ticketmaster.
Attorney General Merrick Garland announcing Thursday that the Department of Justice is suing Ticketmaster and its parent company, Live Nation, accusing them of running an illegal monopoly on live events and asking the court to break up the system.
Live Nation suffocates its competition using a variety of tactics, from acquisitions of smaller regional promoters and venues, to threats and retaliation, to agreements with rivals designed to neutralize them.
The lawsuit alleges Live Nation uses a slew of tactics, including threats and retaliation, to hurt artists and drown ticket buyers in fees. Those in favor of the suit really have one person to thank. According to experts, it's taken hundreds of fortnights, including congressional hearings, for this case to finally happen.
Thank God for Taylor Swift and all those people who were so upset they couldn't buy their tickets. And people all of a sudden said, why do we tolerate this monopoly in ticketing?
NYU law professor Harry First, who specializes in antitrust law, has been waiting for this day since 2009, when Ticketmaster and Live Nation announced their intention to merge, which First says should never have happened.
The Justice Department said, you know, go ahead and do it, but promise you won't be bad.
We all owe a great deal of gratitude to the Swiftie army here.
Morgan Harper is Director of Policy and Advocacy at the nonpartisan advocacy group American Economic Liberties Project, which has been pushing the DOJ to bring this suit. As to how strong the government's case may be,
These lawsuits take a while, but we're seeing the DOJ be very aggressive, so we're really optimistic.
And Live Nation responded in a blog post this afternoon, asserting that their net profits show they do not wield monopoly power. They also claim the lawsuit won't reduce ticket prices or service fees, and they say there is more competition than ever in the live events market right now. Steve, Natasha.